Hello and welcome to Lesson 4's writing tip on how to write good rhetorical questions. So I'm going to start this tip by just showing you a rubbish selection of rhetorical questions first of all. So these are some examples that I come across all the time. Do you agree? Have you heard of whatever issue it is that you've been asked to write about? The problem with these rhetorical questions is that they aren't actually rhetorical, are they? They're just questions. The definition of a rhetorical question is that it implies an answer. It doesn't need an answer because the answer is already there in the question. Okay, we should know what answer that writer wants us to have. So, do you agree or have you heard of? Just lets me answer yes or no and move on to the next article if I'm not interested or if I disagree. So these are too open, okay? They don't tell me what answer I should be thinking. Therefore, they're not being persuasive and they're not showing me what your viewpoint is, which is what you're being examined on. So here's how I would improve do you agree? So first of all, I need to imply an answer. So I need to see whether they should be agreeing with what I've just said or whether they should be disagreeing. And I should probably try and get some emotive language in there. So wherever you see something in bold and underlined with a little star, that's where I've tried to be quite emotive to try and imply a kind of emotional response, an emotional answer from my question. So instead of do you agree, I've gone with can you live with yourself if we sit back and allow this annihilation to continue? So can you live with yourself implies an answer, doesn't it? Apparently not. I don't think you should be able to live with yourself. And annihilation, quite an emotive verb there, suggesting that if you don't care about annihilation, then there's something, quite heartless, maybe inhumane about you. So do you agree with plastic pollution? It would be much better with can you live with yourself if we sit back and allow this annihilation to continue? So, with my example in your mind there, just have a little go at editing that second question. Have you heard of plastic pollution? So put a couple of sentence starters there for you. How long can we ignore? Isn't it time we? See if you can get some emotive language in there. Okay, so here's how you might have edited that question to make it a rhetorical question that works well. Isn't it time we made a collective effort to end the monstrosity of plastic pollution once and for all? So much more strongly worded, a little bit of kind of emotional work going on there with monstrosity, and this idea of working together, collective effort. You might have gone with the how long can we ignore? So I've gone for how long can we ignore this ticking time bomb that threatens to obliterate the beauty of our planet? So ticking time bomb suggests that you can't ignore it for very long. I'm implying my answer there. It's a time bomb. It's going to go off any second. This needs urgent attention. It threatens to obliterate the beauty. I'm telling you, you should care about it. And here's why. You should care because it's going to absolutely get rid of everything that we love and everything that we admire about our planet. So please avoid rubbish rhetorical questions. Please make them highly emotive with an implied answer. Good luck.